Hello everyone, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Ethereum and Bitcoin update. Crypto market exposed. We are going to see the next targets. And of course, before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/ Mind Your Crypto. Today we have the CPI data released for USA. On August, it was 8.3%. Right now, we expect around the same number, a little bit less, a little bit more. It will decide the pump or further dump of the market for today. Okay, but of course, having an 8.2% or 8.1 or 8% or something similar, it is good news compared to the August. However, it is not good news compared to the overall economical data. And I believe that even if we have a little bit less on September, in the next months we are going to have more. Anyway, let's see a little bit the possible price action of BTC and what are we going to do. So BTC, eventually you can see right here, it is falling down today. It is going at a minus 0.65%, nothing special right now. The thing for BTC is that we are approaching a low level around the 19k. Now, what I'm expecting for BTC is, you all know, okay, I'm expecting a correction going on, especially now that we found rejection at this level right here, the 20.1 to 20.2k. Now, what Bitcoin needs to do, it is to hold the 19k. If we close below, then we are going to go all the way further down, especially even if we do not close above the 19k, which you can see 19.6k actually. In the weekly frame, then this will be bad. You can see 2 consecutive weeks we closed below the 19.6k. Now, this is the most crucial line for Bitcoin. If we can manage to close above in the weekly scale, then we can go to have another pump. However, the case right now is that we closed below multiple times right here. So eventually, I do not know how many chances do we have. After this close right here, you can see this low. We achieved 1-2 weeks below the 19.6k. And this was bad in overall for BTC. Anyway, for the time being today, maybe the CPI data is going to save a little bit of Bitcoin and we are going to have a little bit of a buying pressure going on, okay, especially if it is decreased by few percentages, for example 0.1 or 0.2. Okay, however, the chance right now and the most probable scenario, it is to go all the way further down for BTC. You all know that I am expecting that Bitcoin has found the bottom of the bear cycle at 17.7k, but I'm expecting a huge week to the downside, so the weak money will sell and the Feds and of course investors from institutions will buy more and will push the price even higher. Right now we are going to see the Ethereum chart as well. Ethereum has been undergoing a nice bearish pennant, okay? We can see in the 4-hour frame. I'm going to use a tool known as a triangle right here on TradingView, from the top to the bottom, back to the top, and back to this bottom. You can see the nice triangle we closed below. Look at that right here. This was the start of something more corrective. Okay, closing below right here, holding the line, but here we couldn't do it. Okay, so in the non-logarithmic scale we couldn't do it. In the logarithmic scale, look at that, we closed below from this candlestick back at 8 a.m. UTC, of course, Monday 10 October. Now we want to see if Ethereum is going maybe to go into retesting this top trend line. It is very possible, this bottom, sorry, it is very possible that Ethereum, after the CPI data, if they are good, to have a nice buying pressure all the way up to the 1333, around there, okay? So, and then retesting the bottom, and after retesting, finding a correction. Okay, it is very possible that we do that, or we just go all the way down from here. Okay, so you can see that we might be going all the way down right here. We might be going to the bottom trend line, and after having a little bit of a sell pressure. Some people would debate that this is not the bottom trend line, but it is this one right here. Okay, starting, you can see this line right there. Okay, some people would debate it is this line, and we already found the bottom trend line, and we are going right now down. Yeah, technical analysis is a little bit of a bias. Okay, some people might draw here, and we already retested it, we failed, and right now we are going all the way down. But I'm using the tools from TradingView, and I'm seeing in the 4-hour frame that the bottom trend line is a little bit further upwards. Anyway, many people could be wrong, many people could be right. Okay, many people could have this as a bottom trend line, but if you start with this bottom right here, you need to include this trend line, this bottom. Okay, so I think that going into this line, it is a little bit biased, but it can happen. Okay, we could already form a nice, we could already have retested the bottom trend line, and we are going down. Either way, let's not increase the chances of getting this video above the 10 minutes. Okay, all I wanted to say is that either way we go up and down or we go straight down, the result will be the same. I think that Ethereum is going to retest the 1.2k and further down. As for the BTC chart right here, we are going to have the same, maybe a little bit of a pump, but this will be due to the news. I repeat, if the CPI data is lower than the August. Okay, because on August we had, I think, 8.3%, correct me if I'm wrong, for USA that is. Okay, so I'm expecting a downfall. We are going to see after the news what we are going to do. A mini pump could be the case. If we have a mini pump with BTC, we should retest the 19.6k, alright, and find rejection, or even a little bit higher, depends on how good the news will be. But I think that in a recession, even good news are bad. We are expecting worse times to come, and therefore I do not believe that the CPI data will bring much of a pump. I think that the pump, if we have one, will be momentarily, and then we just turn to have a corrective response from the market, and we are going to go further down. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day, and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.